Welcome to Mission 2, Lesson 4. Our goal for this lesson is to be able to multiply larger numbers using mental math. We will know we have been successful if we are able to complete Mission 2, Lesson 4 on Zearn.org. Let's take a look at a problem. We're going to use our skills from the last 3 lessons in which we have learned how to multiply with multiples of 10 and also which we have learned to draw models. So for this first problem, we are solving 49 times 11. 49 times 11 is 49 11s. And we need to draw a tape diagram or a model to solve this. This provides a picture for our brains to process what we want to do. Our unit is going to be 11, so we are going to need 49 groups of 11. Rather than draw out the entire 49 groups, we can just use our 3 dots that tell us, and so on. 49 can be a little bit trickier to multiply, but if I round this up to a multiple of 10, it's very close to 50. So this tape here is going to represent 50 groups of 11, as I have shown here. But I only need 49. Multiplying by 50, though, makes it much easier to do mentally. So I'm going to multiply 50 groups of 11 and then take away one of those groups of 11. 50 take away 1 is 49. And I'm going to show taking away 1 by crossing it out. So what we're thinking here is 50 11s minus 1 11, as we've shown up here in our tape diagram. Now we're going to write this in a problem just as we practiced in Lesson 3. 50 times 11 minus 1 times 11. And then we're going to solve. This is the part we did not do in Lesson 3. 50 times 11. That's 550. 1 times 11 is 11. So now I need to take away 11 from 550. 10 away from 550 is 540. And then one more away, that would be 1 less, 539. So by being able to use multiples of 10 and then just subtracting away that one group of 11 made it much easier to solve this problem than trying to multiply by 49. Let's try another one together. We're going to follow the same steps for this problem as we did for the last one. 25 times 13. That tells us there are how many 25s? Right, there are 13 25s. Now we need to draw a tape diagram or model to show our thinking. Pause here, and when you have yours drawn, continue on. In order to be able to multiply this problem easily, I'm thinking in groups of 10 and 3. If I have 25 and multiply it by 10, and then multiply 25 by 3, it would make it much easier to do in my head. And that's what I'm going to draw. I know I want 13 groups of 25, and I want to be able to multiply this in an easy way. 13 can be rounded down to 10, my 10 groups of 25. But I need to have 13 groups, so I'm going to add the 3 more groups here and show them on my tape measure, which gives me a total of 13 25s. Go ahead and fill out the next part for your thinking. Pause and continue when you're ready. So by looking at our diagram here, we see that there are 10 25s plus 3 25s. Now see if you can solve the rest of this on your own. Pause and come back when you're ready to check your answers. Let's see how you did. 10 times 25 plus 3 times 25. 10 times 25, 1 times 25 is 25. There's 1 0. I'm going to add 1 0. 3 times 25. If I think of this as quarters, if I have 3 quarters, I have 75 cents. And then I can add those together. 250 plus 75 is 325. How did you do? I hope this helps.